Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Lord Have Mercy. If you're new, thank you I feel like I'm blinking too much. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking and watching. And if you are a returner, what's good? If you hear any noise in the background, it's my fan. I haven't recorded late at night in a long time, so I'm doing that and it's hot, so yeah. But yeah, today's video is going to be a makeup video. If you're not subscribed yet, a makeup tutorial. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button below and hit the bell for notifications so you know when next I have another video. So today's video, I'm gonna try to do like a talk through. Gonna try my best because I don't want this video to be too long. So yeah. Okay, to start off, I'll be starting with my e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer. This is like my favorite go-to primer, hydrating primer, moisturizing primer. Not that like other primers don't do that, but for like the moisture factor, it doesn't make me like greasy, oily, anything like that. It just does what it says, moisturizes. So it's a yes for me. Okay, so next I'm gonna clean up the bottom of my brows and go into the eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, I will be using the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. And the shades I'll be using are Caliente, Coconut, Fortuna, and Sea Salt. So like, wait, where am I? Okay, like this little like triangle right here. And then this brown right here. And to prime my eyelid, I will be using the P. Louis base eyeshadow base in Rumor 04. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna kind of go backwards here, but I'm gonna do my foundation first, or now. And I'm using the Revlon Candid foundation in the shade 540. Look at that finish. Even though I've not blended it in all the way. Oh, look at that. Just look at that. The key to having a smooth base, a flawless base, is blending it. Right now, it might seem like, oh, I'm done blending, everything looks good. But no, you still have to go like a full one more minute just to make everything look seamless. And then you can see if there's like any imperfections you want to cover up more or anything like that. But yeah. Alright guys, to speed things up a little bit, I'm going to do a voiceover. So the first thing I did for the eyes was going with the peachy shade as a transition color. And I just did a light application of that, and after that I went in with the dark brown shade and I applied that in my crease and blended it out. And then I went over once again with the peachy shade. Once I felt like it was dark enough, I went over with a peachy shade just to blend it out and to make it more subtle. So now I'm going in with the smaller brush just to be more concise. After doing the transition shade and blending it out, I can't talk today, God. After doing the transition shade and the crease shade, I then cut my crease. And to cut my crease, I used the same eyeshadow base, the P. Louis base. And to cut your crease, a trick you can use is apply the concealer or anything you want to use to cut your crease on your lash line, the upper lash line on your lid, and then look up. Wherever the concealer stains, you start carving your crease from there. That's a trick. I can do a video on that if you'd like me to do so. Give this video a thumbs up. So next I go in with a shimmer shade, like the rose goldish shade, for the outer portion of the lid. And I first of all packed it on, and then I kind of spread it a little, like glided it on my lid, and then I did some more packing on just for a little bit of intensity. And for the inner part of the lid, I went in with the whitish shade, shimmer shade, and yeah, I did the same technique here. Pack, 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 tap, 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 and spread, spread, spread. And for the center, I switched in between both shades. As you can see, I'm using the same brush, so I switched between both sides of the brush for the two different shades, just to blend it and create a gradient. So next, I'm lining my eyelids. Shit. So next, I'm gonna create my wing. So to create the wing, I started the line halfway across my lid and drew it in a diagonal across my eyes, but not all the way to the outer part of my eyelid. And once I did that, I filled it in, and then at the outer part of the eyeliner, I blended it and filled that part in with the brown eyeshadow. Okay, this is just me feeling myself. I thought I did something. I was like, okay, period, poo. So once I was done with that, I went ahead and set my whole face. I started off with the Maybelline Lasting Fix, but I didn't really like the spritz of it, so I switched to the Black Radiance Setting Spray. And after that, I just finished up the eyes by lining my waterline with the Urban Decay 247 eyeliner in brown or chocolate or something. I don't really remember the name, but the color was brown. And then I smoked out my waterline, or my bottom lash line, with the brown eyeshadow. And then I went in with the NYX Cosmetics jumbo stick pencil in milk, just to brighten my eyes, to make my eyeballs look white, very, very white, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's basically it for the eyes, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so I went ahead and I went with the Morphe lashes in Hypnotic. I don't know if you can really tell, but let the glory of the Lord rise among us. Yeah, and now I'm gonna move into the lips. I'm gonna try a nude and a like reddish lip, and you guys decide which lip color you like. So first I'm gonna line my lips. If I can find my pencil. Okay, I'm gonna start with the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in the color or shade Settle for More, not less. Because in 2020, we're not settling for less. We're going higher, higher, higher. We're settling for more, okay? Okay, Ooh. Ooh. I feel like it's a little bit too red or like dark for this look. So I'm gonna go on top. I'm gonna apply on top of it my current favorite e.l.f. lipstick in the Seriously Satin lip colors. This is the color Cherry. Let's see if that makes a difference. Okay, yeah. Okay. Might be a little bit too dark, but I'm feeling it. Oof. We gotta take a piece, y'all. Okay, the nude lipstick I'm gonna be using, it's by Proper Beauty. It's their Luminous Satin lipstick, and I got it from this month's Beambox. If you do not know what Beambox is, it is a bi-monthly beauty box subscription where you get full-size products and you get a chance to try new products every 2 months. So I'll put a link to it and to the Beambox in my description box. And with that link, if you do decide to subscribe, you can get $5 off your first box, and I also get $5. So yeah, if you're interested, do check it out. This lipstick smells so good. Smells like Ooh, a type of biscuit from my childhood. Can't really. Ooh, I stained my nose. I can't really remember the name right now, but it smells so good. And it has a really nice curve that just fits your lips. Bam. This is more like it. It's very soft and smooth on the lips. My only problem with tube lipsticks is that they start like leaning like the Leaning Tower of Pizza, what is it called? Like a Tower of Pizza, Leaning Tower of Pizza, something like that. But that's the only thing I don't like, and then they can break. But other than that, this is a really nice lipstick. Whew. Nude. Who told you you can't look good in your nudes? Oh my god. I just fell in love. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in my next video by God's grace. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. See you next time by God's grace.